Get it.
Got it. Real hood.
Yeah.
Hold my waist.
Yeah.
Hold my waist. Squeeze my breast. Girl, my face.
Woo.
Don't forget the chest when you're licking them right.
Alright.
Don't forget the breast when you're licking them right.
Yeah.
Sipping. All night, baby girl. He's sipping.
Sipping.
He fucking with you. Oh, yes, me too. Don't want him quitting. He's got in his flow. He's always slipping. He's slipping slowly. Fucking. Yo, he's slipping. All night, baby girl. He's sipping. He fucking with you. Oh, yes, me too.
I'm like Romeo when it comes to shit like this. I'm at Juliet, cause Juliet was nothing but a bitch. Once upon a week, upon a time, no sleep. There was a girl around town, she said she wanted to get down, that she was sweet. I knew I had the chance when I heard her speak, she's a freak. I played the role with my Mac technique. I'm in Mac mode and he can't be found only by my brothers who were down with the old now. I called her up, then we made plans, hopped in the van, slid to a crib. Now it's all hands, cause we rubbing, also hugging, now we fucking. I caught a vibe from my page, then I started bugging.
Why? Cause when you leaving me, you going till her house is on. When you leaving me, you coming till my house is on. But when you needing me, you coming till my house is on. Cause when he comes up and hear his party on without a marathon, Ramathon is how he riding them things. He's giving it to you like he's giving you the rain, like he's giving you the pain. How he's driving me insane, sipping. He fucking with you. Oh yes, me too. Don't want him pretend. He's got it, yo. He's always sleeping. I'm riding him, yo. He's slipping. All day and night because he's dripping. He fucking with you. Oh yes, me too. Just a hug. Don't forget the chest when you're licking them right. He's sipping. Now y'all get it? Oh baby girl, he's sipping. He fucking with you. Oh yes, he too. Call him acquitted, committed. He's that crazy, yo, cause he's the in it. He's in it, he's sleeping in it, yo. This sipping. Oh baby girl, oh yes, he's sipping. He fucking with you. Oh yes, me too.
Hey. Head for breakfast, titties for lunch, do my thing well, giving the pussy the Depot punch, the scorpion freak, but have to grab the things out your reach, saying my name, do what gang signs with your feet, get down and dirty, but still keep it nice and neat, far from a freak, a Halloween treat in the sheets, sweat out weaves, young heavyweight, young Ali, the undisputed Russell pussy slayer, R.I.P., stroke of genius.
No, something.